This content is for educational purposes only, not a professional advice. What are the different ways of borrowing money? Borrowing money is quite common in life, particularly in the US. It is often done either by taking a loan or getting a credit card. The most common way of borrowing is taking a loan. In this case, a lender, typically a bank, gives you a certain amount of money and you agree, in a legally binding contract, to repay the amount borrowed plus interest within a certain period of time. Most loan contracts require you to make small payments at a regular frequency, such as monthly or weekly. These are called installment loans, and the fixed amount you pay is called installment amount. The other very common way of borrowing is getting a credit line, such as a credit card. In this case, you get a lending facility, meaning a commitment from a lender to lend you up to a certain total amount called credit line. If you use the facility, you get charged interests on the amount you owe and are required to make small payments called minimum payments until you repay everything. Most borrowing falls under one of these two categories, and while the actual products banks offer might sound more complex, the most important thing to figure out when you want to borrow money is whether you need all the money now to make a big purchase such as buying a car, paying your tuition, or going on vacation, in which case you get a loan. Or you need the money over time to make little purchases or cover for unexpected expenses, in which case you get a credit line. WeFi's mission is to help everybody achieve their financial goals. If you like this video and are looking for ways to improve your personal finances, download our smart app at www.wifiapp.com.